Yorana o Kalea to'u ioa, te ori ne'au e te pupu ori Te Rahiti Nui. My name is Kalea, I'm 13 years old and I've been dancing Ori Tahiti for 10 years. My passion for Ori Tahiti has grown so much over the years as I continue to learn more about the culture. I have made so many new friendships and bonds with my dance sisters, and Ori Tahiti has brought me to new connections to others globally who share the same passion. I have had the amazing opportunity to travel to Tahiti 2 times where I felt incredibly welcomed, and it opened my eyes in understanding the meaning of Ori Tahiti. While in Tahiti, one of the things I loved was being able to meet and work with amazing masters and competing in Hura Taperu. I feel very fortunate in being able to visit Tahiti, and I would love to go again soon so I can learn more about the culture. I hope you all get a chance to visit Tahiti and experience the culture too. Maururu and te aroha ia raki.